What's cooking, guys? I hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making tagliatelle with vegetable ragu. Now this was not what I was expecting to be making. I was hoping to be making some barbecue sides or some nice fresh salads, but we live in the UK and it's snowing outside right now in April. So all the ingredients you'll need for this warming dish are on the right hand side of the screen, and all the way through this episode the instructions will be on the right hand side as well. At this stage, guys, I'd just ask you to smash that like button, to drop me a comment below if you find this video interesting, and of course please do consider subscribing. And now we'll head straight into the video. What's up, guys, it's only me. Thank you very much for getting to this stage in the video. I do appreciate it. If you haven't already smashed that like button or dropped me a comment or even considered subscribing, please do. It really helps my channel and I really do appreciate it. Guys, I'm on all social medias from Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, so please head over there. My username is The Secret Yorkshire Cook. And as always, stay safe, keep cooking, and I'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.